Welcome to the second module in the series Lead-Acid Batteries. This program has been produced in association with Sabat Batteries, one of South Africa's leading battery manufacturers. In this module, Battery Care and Maintenance, we will discuss the reasons for battery failure and how, by following simple maintenance procedures, the useful working lifespan of the battery can be maximized. Let's begin then by discussing some typical faults, commonly encountered, but not always the fault of the battery, as you'll see. There are basically 6 reasons or conditions that could result in battery failure, and they are damaged or cracked casings, dirt or dampness on casings, dirty and corroded terminals, over or underfilling, over or undercharging, and electrical discharge. Simple maintenance can prevent most of the faults encountered either on passenger cars or on trucks and other applications. Let's begin then with general or basic maintenance procedure on typical car and truck applications. Inspect the battery area, checking that hold-down devices, battery carriers, terminal posts and terminals are free of acid and corrosion. Acid buildup is neutralized by washing the affected areas down with a solution of warm water and bicarbonate of soda. Whilst cleaning, ensure that the solution does not enter the cells, as this would neutralize the electrolyte. Allow a few minutes for the solution to work on neutralizing the acid. Then flush the battery and surrounding area with clean fresh water. Where heavy acid contamination has occurred, it is advisable to remove any hold-down devices for a good cleaning and inspection. Acid corrosion can severely weaken metal parts. In such cases, it is advisable to fit new parts after first painting them with an anti-corrosive paint. Clamps should be tightened securely, but not over-tightened, thus preventing case damage. After the break, we shall discuss battery posts and terminals.